with sequence and series, most of the information you need is on page 22 of the log table. So I recommend you pause the video, go get your log tables and come back to me when you have them open on page 22. Okay, good man. Okay, so the main two types of sequence and series are arithmetic sequence and series and geometric sequence and series. As the prompt will say, A is the first for arithmetic. It says A is the first term and D is the common difference. Whereas with geometric, it says A is the first term and OR is what we call a common ratio. So with any question you have to ask yourself, does the terms go up in a common difference? Or are they a common ratio where they're multiplying, they're doubling, they're tripling, they could be halving, they could be multiplied by a ratio of 1/99 as per se. Okay, that's the first thing you need to know. The second thing you need to know, what's the difference between a sequence and a series? A sequence is where one number comes after another. A series, SN, you can see SN for arithmetic and geometric. SN is where you add all the sequences together. That addresses the first four. You will see also you have a sequence, a formula for S infinity. So when the common ratio is less than 1, or less than the modulus of 1, so between -1 and +1, where the series is decreasing from the previous number, you can add them all up to get a sum to infinity. So there's 5 formulas there. That's how you would use all 5 formulas. So just to elaborate a little bit more, the arithmetic, you have common differences. So there's 3 that you would have seen in your 2 of them you would have seen in the junior cert. You would have seen linear, which had a common first difference. Okay, first difference. Quadratic, had a common second difference. And then the new one this year is cubic. It doesn't go into too much details, but you need to see that a cubic has a common third difference. Okay, and with regards to ratio, you have the exponential, so it's where numbers multiply by a common ratio.